In this quick video, I am going to show you how to share Wix website to edit. So first of all, head over to wix.com and log in here with your account. Once you log in here, make sure that you have selected your correct website which you want to share to edit. Once you select your website, then go to settings from here, and then we need to scroll down here and find an option of roles and permissions. Click on it and then we'll see this interface. From here we can invite our collaborators which can edit our website. So to do that, we need to click on invite collaborators. But before that, keep in mind that you can add up to 5 collaborators in your website if you are using your free plan. But if you upgrade your plan, then the limit can increase according to your plan. So I want to invite my collaborators. For that, click on invite collaborators from here. Then you will see this page. Here first of all, enter the email address which you want to invite. So I have typed mine here and then select the email address. You can add up to 10 email addresses here, and then here comes the important part, which is selecting your roles. Roles can define what your editor can do or what your collaborator can do. So suppose if I select this admin role, then he can access to edit, publish and manage site, including my billing, payment and financial info. So if I want to allow him to do all these things, then I need to select this admin role. But if you want to only allow him to view your site, then for that expand this editor roles, and under it you can see the website viewer can view all pages but can't edit the site. So this is not the thing which I want. I want him to edit my website without accessing my sensitive info. So for that I'll just select website manager role from here. Website manager has access to manage, edit and publish site but cannot manage billing, delete, duplicate or transfer site. Also, website designer and back office manager roles comes with this option. So I have selected my option from here. Make sure to read all of these things from here. And now to invite him, we need to click on send invite. And just like that, I have successfully invited my collaborator. Now he can edit my site. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.